Hey guys, what's happening? How to turn off RTT on Android. So if you're using your Android, click the three dots at the top right inside your phone application and then go to the settings, and you're going to be able to pin down RTT. So I'm going to go back to my screen and then go ahead to the settings and try to pin down phone. And as you can see, it seems to be that I don't have this feature, right? If it really bothers you, the fact that you cannot turn off RTT, just make sure to download another app, right? Another phone app. So make sure to search in Google Play, like phone, basically, and you're gonna see the search results right here, right? You can download any phone app in that, and you're gonna give them access, of course, to your contacts, and from there you're gonna be able to basically turn off or turn on the RTT. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.